Look. I did?
Well, I don't know if you did or I did.
You did. Hold on. Let me try.
Yeah, my turn. Your video.
Oh, wait.
Ow!
Ow! Ow, dude. It hit me. Ow, that's not fair, man. It's not fair. Okay, let me try.
That makes a lot of noise.
Okay, here, you do it. The videotape's sort of close down. Here, like this.
It's good.
Like this.
Did you hit it?
Yeah, I did. Whoops.
I really have to poop.
Oh, wow. It's not really gonna work, I don't think. I'm not thinking it's gonna work. It's like...
Oh, yeah, do it.
Oh, I got it, dude. I got it. No way. Did you hear the sound?
Yeah,
It's recording. Put it on this piece of wood and then slam it again. Right here, dude. Right over here. Like, do it over here. Fail.
I'm printed the wood though.
Put the slam down on it. Oh yeah, like that. Okay, my turn. Let me do it. Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna drop it on it.
Okay.
It's gonna make a lot of noise.
Here, let me see. Okay, sit right
Whack-a-mole. Whack-a-mole. I wanna poop on it. I'm just kidding.
here.
Knock the red thing off. Don't hit yourself.
I know, right?
Here.
There you go.
Awesome. We could have just pulled that off, you know. Here, let me try.
Go on. Do it like this.
Okay.
Son, don't watch your finger.
What the hell? Wait, wanna play horseshoes?
Really? Yes, we could.
Alright, my turn.
Dang it. Hold on.
My turn.
Oh, wait, I have a better idea. Look, hold that. Look what I got, Cody. Cody, look. Cody. Feel how heavy this is.
Whew.
Okay, let me see.
Look, I can like pry it open.
Oh my gosh.
My turn.
Wait, you just did it. Like
You did it like 5 times. Yeah.
Whoa, dude, chill. You just started slamming. I'm just like sitting right here. My turn, chill.
No.
Dude. Like go up the freaking
Right,
pole.
one more.
Whatever. 3 more. Yeah, we're like. Is that a Yeah, go ahead.
Wow. There's an owl right there.
Yeah, no.
You like pause it and then go to the owl.
Ow.
Owl.
Hold this. Wait, like this. Whoa, wait. Look what's inside of it.
Nothing.
Yeah, there is like a type black thing.
Whoa. No. Hit the top. Yeah, it's really strong. Here, let me try.
I mean, it's meant so it'll keep a type of flammable gas.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's just like CO2.
In the video, it looks like that metal bar is like bending. Come back here, boy.
Yeah, I was like I don't know what I was videoing. I think it was like someone sweeping or something.
What is sweeping?
Yeah, and it looked like the broom was like
Bending?
Bending.
Yeah, that's what this looks like. That looks awesome.
Alright.
I think we've done enough of this.
Yeah.
Time for you to die. Yeah, okay.
It's in the ground.
Let's just leave it there.
We should add this to that tree.
Oh yeah. You should.
Well, you need to like spray paint the tree.
That would be pretty cool.
Like
How much do you think this weighs?
10, 8, 10 maybe.
It doesn't look like it would. Oh, I'm gonna put this in the tree. Come on. Bring the thing. Bring the thing. Dude. Wait. You chill. Okay. In tree. What should I put this in the tree? There you go. That's nice. Nice. Right. Okay. That's another adventure.